Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some breakfast omelets, and for that we need eggs, of course, tomatoes, and basil leaves. For the beginning, all that you need to do is start with cutting down the tomatoes into some very small pieces, like as you see in the video. This is a very easy and nice and fast recipe, so all that you need to do later is separating some basil leaves. You can choose the big ones, but it always depends what you have, so if you have the small ones it will still work. Prepare the eggs as well. You can use as much as you want. If you want to have really big ones, so you can use more eggs. We took 2 eggs, but you can also have 3, 4, 5, depends on how much you want. Add some salt and red pepper and mix this with the eggs. And now all you have to do is take cooking form like you see in the video and add there the basil leaves, like first layer, After adding that, you should add to it also the tomatoes. And the egg, of course. Put it into the oven to be cooked, and it will be ready to be tasted after a couple of minutes. Hope